So I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to turn Wi-Fi on or off on this watch. So this is very simple. Just go to settings, and the easiest way to go to settings is to swipe down and on these quick toggles, tap on settings. On the settings page, tap on Wi-Fi and then you should see Wi-Fi button at the top there. So currently Wi-Fi is on. To turn it off, just tap on that little toggle button and that turns off Wi-Fi. Now, if it's the first time, you might be told that your watch will choose Bluetooth over Wi-Fi. Just enable and that's going to turn off Wi-Fi. To turn it back on, just tap on that toggle button once again. It's gonna come on and attempt to connect to the last Wi-Fi network it was connected to. Okay, so once again off and Wi-Fi on. So that's basically how to do that. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.